Hey guys, Ben Kennedy from Gecko here. Today I'm going to share a little bit more about delivery pricing and how to do this in a really awesome way with zip codes. If we go over to settings and then we go to delivery, you're going to change your pricing to postal/zip code pricing, right? So over here, you put in your zip code, so like 94109, which is my current one, and you can put that as $10. You can control all of this. Now, a lot of the times you'll have 10-mile radiuses and 15-mile radiuses, 20-mile radiuses, and so on and so forth, and different prices according to where each location is. Or if you're in like New York, as an example, even if you have to go 1 mile in Manhattan, will probably take you like half an hour or 45 minutes. So that's kind of like why we built this. But it's also great for other use cases. So if you actually go over, I'm going to show you how to do a really great prompt to make sure that this is all done effectively. So I've gone in here to ChatGPT and I've said, I live in postcode 94109 in San Francisco. Could you please gather all the postcodes within a 10-mile radius, a 20-mile radius, and a 30-mile radius, separated only by commas? And you can put in a thank you if if you're polite to your AI. So you go in here and it'll take a second. Okay, that took a little longer than I expected. And yes, I did mean zip code. So use zip code instead of postcode. Sorry, that's still my Australian brain. But as you can see here, right, what we're going to do is we go and we copy this and we go into Gecko and we just press paste, right? And then you can have that at $100. Then you go to the new one and we go over here and we go copy and paste, right? We have that at $200 and so on and so forth, right? So that's pretty much how you go in and do it all. Thanks for watching.